Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to delete games on this console. So to delete games on this console you will need to go to the home screen, this page, and you can do it by pressing the home button. And once you're on the home screen, hover over the software or the game you want to remove. For example, I'm gonna remove the Zelda game, and then press the minus button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the option called Manage Software and tap on it, or use the buttons to select it. And here find the option called Delete Software and select it. As you can see, it tells us to remove the game data before game card before removing the data of the game. Let's check if the game card is inserted. It's not, so oh no, it is, never mind. So we're gonna pop it out. Okay, and then we can tap on OK and tap on Delete Software again. Oh, I didn't uncheck it, but you had the option to delete the home icon as well if you want to. You just needed to uncheck the box. And now the game is removed. So let's try to remove the icon as well, so it's gone. We can open the menu, Manage Software, and delete the icon from the home menu. Delete. OK. And now it's gone completely. And that's how you delete games or software on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.